In today's video, we're going to make this beautiful bracelet. It's one of the many gift ideas that I'll be sharing with you over these coming weeks as Mother's Day is also approaching. This is one of the projects which requires least yarn consumption, so you can make it out of scrap yarns easily just in case you don't have enough yarns.
If you're new here, I'm Lou and I make knitting and crochet tutorials mostly, and at times I make DIY videos too. So if your interest resonates with what I do here, I would very much appreciate it if you could just subscribe, like, or comment down below. And if you're a subscriber, thank you very much for coming back to see more contents. You will require some beads and a very small crochet hook. Whatever beads you may be using, just make sure that your crochet hook passes through and then you're good to go. It really seemed like this video is made using leftovers of the leftovers because these are the few beads remaining and market is closed and I've been staying home. So I'll try my best to make a good outcome with this. If it doesn't turn out right, please bear with me. Okay, so I'm just going to make a few chains with this small crochet hook. 2, 3. Just chain it for about 10 to 15 centimeters. No matter what yarn you use, if your hook is small, it'll give a small chain. Now, we will take the bead, insert your hook into the bead, yarn over, pull the yarn through the bead, and also through the loop on your hook. Okay. And pull out a loop. Now once again, this is your second bead, going through the bead, yarn over, pull through the bead and through the loop. Try not to pull it too tight or else the bead won't stay properly. I'm doing it once again. Into the bead, yarn over, pull the yarn through the bead and through the back loop. So we will be doing this. Even if the size of the bead vary, the process will be the same. There it goes again. Alright, so I'm doing this one last time with you. Insert your hook into the bead, yarn over, pull through and through. Somehow I managed to arrange the color combination this way. I hope I did a good job. Anyway, now to end this, make a chain over the bead. Just chain up one and we will continue putting one chain for the strap. This will be comparatively shorter. Make about 5 to 7 centimeters long only. Okay, once this is done, now with the longer strap on your left hand, fold the tail or fold the strap, pass it under and hold it like that. Then with a bigger crochet hook, place the hook there and wrap the tail around it twice. Once, twice. Then take the tail and pull it out through both the loops. Pull it out and pull the tail. Okay, so you made the loop. Now pass the other strap into the loop and pull the body to tighten the loop. And there we have an adjustable strap for the bracelet. Now knot the two ends so it won't slip off, and sew in the tails. Depending on the size of the hand, you might want to make the strap longer or shorter. And that's how simple and easy it is to make.
That's it for today, but stay tuned for more upcoming gift videos that I'll be sharing over the next few weeks. And meanwhile, check out this playlist here and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and you stay safe. Bye for now.